15-inch best laptops of 2024, our top picks. Are you trying to find the greatest portable and high-quality 15-inch laptops for 2024 that also have improved performance? If so, stop searching since you've come to the correct spot. GAD Insider has compiled a list of great laptops with larger screens, longer battery life, and other significant features. Here are a few highly recommended 15-inch laptops that offer an enhanced user experience and are tailored to efficiently cater to your requirements. Dell XPS 15 OLED. The Dell XPS 15 OLED is a highly recommended laptop due to its sturdy features, portability, and ability to reduce eye strain. It comes with an outstanding 15.6-inch display, an 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, upgraded 16 by 512 GB storage choices, and more. It has brilliant colors, a comfy keyboard, and amazing performance. MacBook Air 15-inch. The 15.3-inch MacBook Air is notably the best laptop in terms of battery life, as it's efficiently equipped with an M2 chip that lasts approximately 15 hours. Moreover, it entails other prominent features that let it stand out among others, including an 8 by 256 GB storage variant, delivering a bright and vivid display, offering epic speed performance, and more. Despite its large size, it possesses a stellar design and remains one of the thinnest laptops ever with crisp audio functionality, offering a premium experience. Alienware M15R4 2021. The Alienware M15R4 is a 15-inch gaming laptop that takes your gaming experience to the next level. Because of its vivid display, 16 GB 1 TB storage variant, sleek and impeccable design, and other remarkable features, it's highly customizable, available with a spacious keyboard and touchpad, making it a perfect choice for all gaming enthusiasts.